they want the drama. Forget about what I bring to the table, those people want the drama.
Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. They tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna really, really, really wanna be the If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Love can last forever, friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, I'm Scary Spice. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, thank you for tuning in to the channel where you never know what you're gonna get. That's my excuse for doing stupid shit like that, because I can just say, you know what I'm saying, you never know what you're gonna get. Okay, so, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Ashley JaNae. Hey, boo. You know that AJC is the place to be. Ashley JaNae Crew, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, because you know you really want to be a part of the tribe. Okay? And today, woo! There's this girl that I ran across her video, and I was on Facebook Marketplace looking for a ring light, because that's where everybody told me to go. And no, I don't want to meet up with strangers. Ew. I really loved her video. Everybody go and subscribe to sis. Everybody go and subscribe to sis, because she taught me how to make a DIY ring light. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Alright guys, so anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. I'm sorry about all the craziness and extra. It's because I was born in September. Okay, see you later. Alright guys, so let me show you what I got. Okay, so I got this from Walmart. It's in the flower section. It's called the wire wreath form, and it's like a greenish color. Look at it. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, I got this. This was $2, I think. It was like, I can't find a receipt. I just had the receipt because I wanted to show y'all. But that's how the devil works. When you try to do something, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Okay, because I know you know what I'm saying. That's how it works. Always in somebody's business. No, I was just finna get that receipt and show my AJC. But no, you want, all right, whatever. I'm over it. So this was $2, y'all, around that much. Then from Walmart, I got the Better Homes and Gardens LED lights. 16-foot LED rope lights. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? So these were $12 or $12.99, something like that. So right now, what we at? We at let's see, we gonna round it off. So 12 and what I say 2. So we have 14. Then these I got for like $3 or $4, like $2.97, $3.97. I want to say it was $2.97. I'm not sure, but it was around that much. So let's say $3. So where are we at? 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. So $17 so far. Then I went to the dollar store. 18, 19, 20, 21. And I had this box already at home because you need a piece of cardboard. So, girl, I'm doing it, okay? I spent less than $25. Like, I didn't even spend, And my ring light finna be all that in a bag of chips and a slice of cheese, watch. All right, so anyway, I have to cut this box. So, let me cut it. I gotta, because basically, I gotta measure. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Ooh, that's too small. Let me go find a little box.
The fact that me and you are so great together, and with you I feel so much better. I can't help it, I'm in love with you.
Girl, I knew this day would come. I just wanna feel your love. Now that you told me, it's the only thing that's on my mind. You're the girl I leave the streets for. That to me makes you a winner, oh baby. Oh baby.
Break up as best friends, start over again, it's something more. 'cause I don't wanna be afraid. Oh baby, I just wanna love you till the end. Can we break up as best friends? Break up as best friends. Start over again. I love what we have, but I want more than that. Baby, don't ignore the fact that me and you are so great together, and with you I feel so much better. I can't help it. I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Can we break up as best friends? Start over again. Baby, I see you every day. How you not know that I like you, baby? We're so comfy in our friendship. It's been a minute, now I'm feeling different. I see no one else but you in this world. I just wanna be your girl, oh baby. No. Can we break up as best friends? Start over again, it's something more. I love what we have, but I want more than that. Baby, don't ignore the fact that me and you are so great together, and with you I feel so much better. I can't help it. I'm in love with you.
Girl, I knew this day would come. I ain't just wanna feel your love now that you told me. It's the only thing that's on my mind. You're the girl I leave the streets for. Bad to me makes you a winner, oh baby. Oh baby.
Break up as best
You guys, I don't know how my video just happened to cut off right here. I do apologize, but what I'm doing right here is I am inserting in a zip tie to connect that silver aluminum cardboard thingy inside of the reef. So you just connect it so that it stays and it holds firmly, and that's it. Sorry about that.
I see no one else but you in this world. I just wanna be your girl, oh baby. No. Can we break up as best friends, start over again, or something more? I love what we have, but I want more than that. Baby, don't ignore the fact that me and you are so great together, and with you I feel so much better. I can't help it, I'm in love with you.
Girl, I knew this day would come. I just wanna feel your love now that you told me it's the only thing that's on my mind. You're the girl I leave the streets for. That to me makes you a winner, oh baby. Oh baby.
Break up as best friends, start over again, or something more. I love what
All right, y'all, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared because when I tried this, that's what I get for going to the dollar store. You know, I do that a lot. I go to the dollar store and then I get something, I be like, that's what I get. The wax paper kept ripping. No, I'm sorry. The tape kept like not necessarily sticking. I think I might have wrapped it too thick. I'm not sure. We're about to plug it in and we're about to see. Like mine looked like a whole toilet paper massacre. But we gonna see. So this is me. Got my living room light right now. So I'm about to plug this up and see. I'm gonna close my eyes. Hold on. Oh hell, it didn't do anything. Oh Lord. All right, so we're all done. I need to make sure that this works because, period. Let's see what happens. It works.
We need to stand for it though, don't we?
Do you see the little circles in my eyes? You see them? I see the circles in my eyes. Ow! The circles is in my eyes. Okay, ouch.
Okay, I kind of see him.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, this is so lit, Logan. Oh my
Literally
God.
Lit
Ah,
early. Double pun right there. Lit early.
literally.
Can I hold
We got a ring light. Ah!
How lucky you hold it?
That's it. Stop, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful.
Can I please hold it? Thank you.
Sure.
I don't see the little rings in my eyes, mommy.
Because it don't go that way. You gotta do it this way. If you want to
this
see the
way?
rings, you gotta do like this.
Oh, I got it.
Uh-oh, be careful.
Oh.
You see him?
It's like half a circle.
Yeah, I'm gonna use that. Okay, guys, so this was a success. I thought it was gonna be a fail because, oh my God, when I first plugged it in, it did not even turn on. I didn't know what was going on, but it come to find out I didn't have it plugged in the right way. Okay, so now that it is, we got our ring light. We got a ring light. We got a ring light. And it only cost us like $21. Ooh. If you like this video, guys, give it a like and a comment and a share. Oh no.
And subscribe.
For real though.
Because you know you really want to be a part of the tribe.
My boy. Okay. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Boo, boo, bam.
We out.
Yeah. Leave your content ideas down below. Thank you so much. Thank you.